Hello folks, welcome to the channel. Today I just received my crimson red large seedless grapes from Cyprus, and I'm just going to unpack it and pot it. Now I've got here potting soil mixed with a perlite. So half of this potting soil and a half cup of perlite, mixed it, ready to be pot. So let's open this up and see what's coming in. Here it is, crimson red, large seedless, very sweet grapes. Okay, so them two must be the grape, and that one, he sent me this one as a bonus, Aspera fig. He's telling me to put these in a pot and water it and leave it in there for 2-3 weeks. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the water for about half an hour. So the buds will be coming out that way, so that goes down the bottom like this. Right, they've been in the water for a couple of hours. Now it's to plant them. Right. What I've done is I cut the bottom of this plastic bottle. Right, I've taken the lids off, so that the air circulates, otherwise it would get damp in there and start growing fungus. So this is the best place for them in a conservatory where it's going to be nice and warm for 2 to 3 weeks, and hopefully by then the weather in this country, UK, should start getting warmer as well. So let's see what happens within 2 to 3 weeks. Crimson seedless, crimson red grapes from Cyprus, and put them in a garden, well as the fig. It seems to be thriving now. They're getting a bit of sunshine and the leaves popping out, so they're getting a bit of photosynthesis, and hopefully they should start growing even better. We shall see. 24th of March 2024, and these are the crimson seedless giant red grapes from Cyprus, which was delivered about 3-4 weeks ago. And this is the fig. And I feed them with a banana juice. They're taking a bit of time, but at least they're growing. Here they are, giant crimson red seedless grapes, very sweet, from Cyprus, which I got them about 6-7 weeks ago. I planted them in smaller pots, and then I've repotted them in these bigger, larger pots. They're doing really nice, as you can see. And that's the Aspera fig, that's coming up as well. We haven't had the weather lately, so they haven't been quick growing as I thought they would do. Basically, the reason why I brought these is I got these grapes on this pagoda, which I had them for 20 years, and I thought I'll replace them with their crimson red grapes, which will look really nice. That would be